Vehicle insurance, also known as car insurance, motor insurance, or auto insurance, is insurance for car, truck, motorcycle, and other road vehicles. Its primary use is to provide financial protection against physical damage or body line injury resulting from traffic concerns and against liability that could also arise from indicate in a vehicle. Vehicle insurance may additional offer financial protection against thief of a vehicle and against damage to vehicles suitable from event other than traffic such as keying where weather or natural destroy and damage sustained by colliding with saturation weather or natural destroy damage sustained by the specific terms of vehicle insurance vary with legal regulations in such as reason history. Use of motor car began after First World War in urban areas. Car were relatively fast, dangerous by the stage, yet there was still or compulsory form of car insurance anywhere in the world. This means that injury victim would get compensation in an accident, and driving often faced considerable cost for damage to their car. A compulsory car insurance scheme was first inducted in the United Kingdom with the Road Traffic Act 1930. This ensured that all vehicle owners and drivers had to insure for their liability for injury or death to third parties whilst their vehicle was being used on public road. Germany enacted similar legislation in 1939 called the Act on the Implementation of Compulsory Insurance for Motor Vehicle Owner. In many jurisdictions, public policies in many jurisdictions, it is compulsory to have vehicle insurance before using or keeping a motor vehicle on public roads. Most jurisdictions related insurance to both the car and the driver. However, the degree of each varies greatly. Several have experimental with a pay-as-you-drive insurance plan, which utilize either a tracking device in the vehicle or vehicle diagnosis. This would address issue of uninsured motorists by providing additional options and also charge based on their miles kilometers driven, which could theoretically insurance the effective of the insurance through simulated collection. Thank you.